Welcome po to Reviewers, a compilation of exam reviewers and item explanations. So ito po yung ating next abstract figure. Circles on the upper rows are combinations of the circles on the bottom rows. Identify the best logical fit for the given figures. Is it A, B, C, or D? Clear naman po yung instruction dito at sinasabi nga na when you go up, it combines all the figures nung nasa baba. And at the same time, yung nasa taas are actually, in its relationship sa baba, is broken pieces po siya. Okay? So yung gagawin natin, we're going to look into the best figure that should fit the question mark here po. So, meron tayong A, B, C, and D. Now, there are two ways to attack this problem, but usually, pag ganito po yung mga tanong, I usually look into the basic parts in the bottom most part of our abstract figure. And then, I draw here a certain circle or in any scratch paper. Don't worry if it's not that circle. Okay, let's just assume that it's a circle. And then, I need to combine all of the figures. So, let's start with this. So, there's a cross here, probably in this way. Yan. Then, hindi naman siya triangle kasi hindi naman siya with corner here. But basically, a triangular shape. Okay, parang ganyan. Okay? And then, this here is to be combined with that. But, since meron na po tayong portion ng triangle dito, parang di ata tama yung ginawa ko. So, uulitin ko po kasi yung kanyang line dito sa taas is more or less on the middle portion na siya. So, middle portion siya. So, parang ganito. Let's just assume that my drawing is appropriate and my cross here is somewhere hanggang middle. Sorry. Hanggang middle po siya. So, yun lang po ang gagawin natin. Kukombine po natin lahat ng figures sa baba. You can do this analytically, but since this is a review and an explanation, so gagawin po natin yung explanation natin. And then, meron po tayong arc dito, parang semicircle. Parang ganito yung, sorry. It should be semicircle, so parang ganyan yung semicircle natin. Okay. So, basically, parang ganito po yung figure natin. And then, we just look into our options A, B, C, and D. However, dalawa lang po yung parang close dito, yung A at saka B. What differs from A and B is the presence of this block dot here, which is a part of this figure po. So, that means that yung tamang sagot natin dito is yung letter B natin. Because this is more or less the combination of all three. Now, the other way of doing this is, pwede namang itong second level yung i-combine natin. Kaya nga lang, if some of us have difficulties in looking into the figure, baka mahihirapan din tayo. So, you can also do this. We have this figure, triangular shape here. So, this should be, by the way, triangular. This is straight. Okay, parang ganyan. And then we have here a line in the middle, a dot, and a straight line here, a vertical line, and a horizontal line here. So, parang ganun na rin. So, ito po yung sagot sa abstract figure na ito. It's different from others kasi may ibang principles naman yung ibang abstract figures. But for this abstract figure given by the situation, this is our answer. So, once again po, ito po yung reviewers. Don't forget po to subscribe on our channel, like our videos, and if kaya naman po, pakishare na lang din po. And leave a comment po for our future videos improvement. And follow our FB page and stay tuned for more videos. Maraming salamat!